Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to look at how to install Mistral AI locally on Windows 11. To do this, our first step is to download and install Ollama, which is an open source platform that allows us to run large language models locally. Once that's set up, our second step will be to pull and install the Mistral AI model. Let's start with step 1, which is getting Ollama onto our system. Open up your web browser, head over to Google, type in Ollama, and hit enter. Click on the first link to open up the official website. Now that we're on the homepage, we want the Windows version, so I'll click directly right here on the download button. The download option for Windows is now visible, so let's go ahead and click download for Windows. The download will start pulling down a 664 megabytes file, so let's wait a moment for it to complete. Once the installer finishes downloading, right-click the setup file and select Open to launch the wizard. We can minimize the browser window for now. When the installation prompt pops up, click Install and let the setup script install Ollama on our system. Now that the installation is complete, let's verify everything and install the Mistral AI model. Head down to the Start menu, type in CMD, and open up the command prompt. Go ahead and type Ollama and hit enter. Seeing this command confirms that Ollama is successfully installed and active. To run a new model, we use the core run command. Let's see what the exact syntax is. You'll want to type Ollama run followed by the model name. To make sure we have the exact name required by the system, let's jump back to the official site and click on the model section at the top. You can search for the exact model you want or scroll down to find it. As we go down the page, you'll see Mistral right here. We're looking for the 7 billions parameter version, so let's click on it. Here is the dedicated model page, along with the exact command needed to launch it. If you ever want to explore other versions or tags, you can click right here, but the standard 7 billions version is what we want today. You can copy this command directly from the page or simply type it out. Go back to your command prompt, type Ollama run Mistral, and hit enter to Ollama will begin pulling the manifest and download layers. This model is roughly 4 gigabytes, so depending on your internet connection speed, it might take a good few minutes to wrap up. Let's wait for the download to finish. And there we go. The process is complete and the model is successfully loaded. You are now dropped right into the chat prompt, where you can start asking questions. Let's try typing a quick, "Who are you?" and pressing enter. The model responds right away, confirming it's a large language model trained by Mistral AI. We have successfully downloaded, installed, and verified Mistral AI completely locally on Windows 11. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.